I've never seen it before.
I don't know.
Stewie, she's got your time machine.
But don't drag that down the stairs, or Thank God, everything's back to normal.
2. Gross.
I tell you to clean your rooms, and the first thing you do is put all your science projects in Stewie's closet.
Mom, we
Stop
didn't...
arguing and get rid of it. And give me those glasses. They're cluttering up your face.
I need them to see.
They're not bringing me joy.
You realize there are 4 of us and 1 of her. If we rushed her all at once...
That's not gonna work. She's clearly developed the strength of the insane.
What did you say, Chris?
Nothing, I'm sorry.
Chris, I will not have your comic strip anger cluttering up my house. It's negative, and it ruins my joy. Get it out of here.
Now you've done it. You've made me 1930s work whistle angry.
Shut up, Meg.
Well, I didn't say anything.
You just did. Your voice, it's cluttering up my space. Get out.
But...
Get out of my house.